Hello, I'm Richard Smith with Calibre Home Inspections, inspecting homes and protecting dreams. Wanted to mention a quick note about your gas stove. If you have a gas stove, you really do want that vented to the outside. That little stove vent above your stove area should be directing the air to the outside. That's for all the uh, combustible gases and the residual gas on the house, and then of course the moisture that you're going to produce from boiling water and soups and stuff. So we have uh, another thing about a gas stove. So there's your gas stove. This was a new construction, and there is a little label right here. Let's zoom in on that. And it says, do not install a ventilation system that blows air downward toward the gas cooking appliance. Now, this is not the gas stove that pulls it out, up and away from the stove. What they're talking about is supply registers. For instance, this one right here, the middle section is blowing right down on the stove. That could make your cooking uneven. It would blow it off to the side, or if it was on low, it might even blow it out. It's actually a really dangerous condition to be if you have a gas stove. And if you notice, it isn't code either that be directed that way. I find this all the time, but in this case, that is the uh, that is the manufacturer's installation instructions, and that supersedes the code. So if you have a design like this, it's actually a very easy fix. If you look up towards that, you can see the register is blowing down toward the gas stove, or you could just turn that around, turn it 180 degrees and have it blow out towards your sink. In this design, it would be towards your sink. So if you have any other questions or any other comments, please join us Wednesday morning. We have a Q&A session. You can go to my website, find the link, and join us there. We'll have a other quick 15-minute Q&A session every Wednesday morning. So join us then. Richard Smith, Calibre Home Inspections, inspecting homes and protecting dreams.